Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all the top 3 stocks that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video right after the intro. All right, y'all. Again, before we begin, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm, okay? Now, let's get started right off the bat. The market is currently at the same exact spot as it was when it closed, all right? It's not going anywhere. Will we drop to make a double bottom? I honestly don't think that is likely. I don't think so. Worst case scenario, we drop back down to like 38.90 before we see some type of bounce towards 39.30. Yeah, worst case scenario, but best case scenario, it just goes straight up and out the gates like immediately. So I'm not too concerned right now with the markets, but as always, manage your risk, okay? And short sellers don't get too, like I said yesterday, y'all don't get too greedy. Don't get too greedy, all right? Now, the top 3 stocks that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today. The first one is Target. All right, and somebody had been putting this one in the comment section. I see it and I like it. All right, the reason why I want to share this one with all of you in this video is because Target is currently breaking out of a flag around the daily chart. All right, it broke out perfectly along with a lot of the stocks that are into the Dow, and I'm not bearish on this one. This one is a very clear and obvious buy for me. So definitely keep this one in your watch list for today. I think it's going to, I'm pretty sure it wants to take out these individuals right here and go even higher within the next few days. All right, I'm not bearish on Target. It has performed very, very well in the past. It has very nice swings for both longs and shorts, right? And right now, I think longs are gonna keep pushing the stock higher, despite the fact that it tanked through earnings here. It doesn't matter. So definitely keep this one on your watch list for a potential move to 197 today. All right, maybe even higher than that. So that is the first one. The next one that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today, that stock is UAL. And UAL, again, this one performed very well, all right, all the way up to our $63, $64. And then it faded again when the whole market pulled back and a lot of us were just buying a lot of puts, right? But right now, the way the market is looking, the way things are shaping up right now, especially with that magical unicorn news that they put out yesterday, I'm not bearish on airlines. It's actually a good thing that may benefit airlines. I told y'all to buy BA. I was like a day late on BA a while ago. I think I put out that video right over here as my top stocks, and I included BA in it for the move upwards because they had some type of deal with the banks, right? And it spiked the next day. Okay, so for those of y'all who kept this on your watch list and who are watching this and who bought the dip, again, that line of support held very, very well. Okay, I'm not bearish here. I think this is the beginning this is the beginning of an uptrend for all things airlines, all things travel. All right, so keep that in your watch list for today. The next one that we'll be talking about in today's video is RIOT. All right, and RIOT right now. Riot. Again, I told y'all to buy this thing over here, and then the next day I told y'all that this was not such a good trade for me, and that I was going to do my best to break even at some point as soon as they gave us a chance to do so, and I did get out. I definitely did get out. So hopefully y'all listened to that video and did not suffer a major loss over here, and were able to take advantage of some of that move yesterday. All right, right now things are stabilizing. I'm not bearish on I'm not bearish on Riot. Worst case scenario, it just keeps wasting our time, right? And goes sideways for a while. Best case scenario, it actually moves up to $56 today, maybe $55. All right, best case scenario moves up to $55 today. So keep that one on your watch list for sure. I'm not bearish on this one. I will be watching this one today, like very, very closely, right? So these are the top 3 stocks for today. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. I literally just saw these things. Apparently, GME had a phenomenal day yesterday. All right, and GME right now is currently climbing back up. Could this thing push up even higher? I honestly think that it could. I think that it could over here. That is a very bullish engulfing candle. It goes sideways. Maybe we might even see 210 today, and then it might close back down at like 205. And then next week we may see some more momentum on this stock. It's not, for some reason, it's just holding up here. All right, it's making lower lows for some reason. Fundamentally, again, I don't know how this company is doing fundamentally. Y'all know GameStop. I don't know how many people shop at GameStop. I don't know what their sales are. I don't know any. I'm pretty sure. Well, I don't know if they're making that much money, if they're still as a lucrative company as they used to be. All right, they tank through earnings, and somehow buyers are just buying up. So just keep it on your watch list. All right, keep it on your watch list. The contracts on this one are not the best. I wonder if they're still as outrageous as they used to be, and it looks like, yeah, the contracts are outrageous. Again, if you're gonna play this one, do it at your own risk. I'm not touching it at all. Along AMC though, AMC I might get involved in it because the contracts are reasonable. All right, but in regards to GME, again, just keep that one on your watch list, and we will see what these ones do. I'm not bearish as of right now. I'm not bearish on the overall market. All right, now the next one that we'll be talking about in this video, somebody asked about AI. What's going on with AI? AI tanked ever since it got out the gates over here at $82. It went all the way here and then it got exhausted. The market was like going in kind of up and down and up and down in like throughout the past 2 months. But this stock, ever since that chop session started, it's just been fading and fading and fading. And then they did a terrible job through earnings and it kept tanking and tanking and tanking. I would say be very patient with this one. Long-term investors, this may look good for a buy because obviously it is at the lows. It is down by like 67% from the very top, right? Yeah, exactly 67%. Yeah, so if you're looking to be a long-term investor in this company, right, these lows are not bad at all. Again, that is if you have very, very high conviction in the company and you think that the stock could make a wonderful recovery all the way back up to this region right here later on during the year. All right, I don't do long-term investing. I trade patterns and patterns only. Very, very short-term trading, swing trading, day trading. Long-term investing, not so much. Not a fan. All right, so again, that's my very honest opinion for the people who are asking about AI. The next one that we're going to be talking about, I actually just noticed this one. There's something weird happening with EV stocks. Now let's check out NEO. And NEO right now got obliterated for some reason. Temporary suspension of production for 5 days due to semiconductor shortage. All right, okay. So yeah, the stock tanked because of that. And also, if you're trading it pre-market, then yeah, there was a nice opportunity to the short side. Could this thing bounce? I think so. But if you're gonna take this trade, just watch out for that. All right. If the floor breaks, then it might go lower. I don't think it will. I think we may see some money flood in here. All right. Especially if the market behaves and becomes very, very bullish. And the same thing applies to Tesla. I think also Tesla tanked. Yeah, it dropped a little bit, but not as bad as NEO did. So it's really all up to you which one you want to trade, which one is the better deal for you. Also, manage your risk as always. And yeah, that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel grow faster and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos which are released from Monday through Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter and Facebook. Also, yeah, that's in the description below. And lastly, if all of this is new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some step by step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 after you sign up with Weibo using my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I'm gonna see all of you in the next video, right? Manage your risks, short sellers, don't get too greedy, and enjoy the outro.